Thank you so much, Frederik, for taking the time to speak with us today.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Frederik, Oceanlys has quickly established itself as a leader in maritime performance optimization and decarbonization solutions since your launch. For those in our audience who might not be familiar with your platform, could you briefly describe what Oceanlys offers and how it's helping shipping companies meet their efficiency and sustainability goals?
Yes, absolutely. So Oceanlys, we are a software and service house. We deliver different software packages. Our flagship central product is our performance platform, which is a data collection, IoT data gathering solution that both takes in high-speed IoT data, but also data from ERP systems and the other products that we provide. We use this to drive digital innovation for our customers.
In a crowded maritime software market, what specific aspects of Oceanlys' approach most differentiate you from your competitors, particularly given your unique position as a new company with a mature product?
I think one of the key things that we really emphasize, and which is at the core of our mission statement, is to be really top-notch on especially support and after services. So, because the software on its own will not drive the value unless you deliver it together with those critical processes, helping our customers change their processes to match the software and the solution. So I think that's some of the key things that we try and differentiate, is being that really top professional support-orientated company.
Interesting, yeah. You emphasize the importance of data quality over quantity in maritime operations. How is this philosophy specifically reflected in your product design, and what tangible benefits are your clients seeing as a result?
I think one of the key differentiators that we do is that we process the data on the ships. We don't take big data IoT and put it on the shore side and then process. We simply do edge computing processing on the ship, making it available for the crew, and then we move it to the shore side and make it the same data available for the office team. And this means that we have what we call fleet transparency. So everybody in the whole shipping organization sees the same data and can process that. On our quality side, we really also process the data with lots of checks and validations. We've developed it over many years, a way to process and make sure that we take our quality data or flag if the data is of low quality and therefore should be, used in data decision making with caution, we can say.
With your solution supporting multiple regulatory frameworks like EU ETS, FuelEU Maritime, IMO DCS, how are you preparing clients for the increasing complexity of emissions compliance in the coming years?
We always try and stay ahead of all regulation to be early movers. So we are directly connected to IMO or MMPC. So we get even early prepared adoptions. We get them so we can understand, and we communicate to our customers what they can expect to see coming out in the coming years. And I think this is well perceived by our customers. They do appreciate that we partner with them to prepare them for the change in the regulatory landscape.
Your recently launched EcoPack solution promises 60% energy savings for shipboard electrical systems. What drove this specific product development, and what does its success tells us about your future innovation direction?
EcoPack represents an innovation that Oceanlys we did together with our partners to target a specific area of the ship where there is high consumption. So I think it represents initiatives that we will continue to do when we see that our data platforms and services sits well together with these kind of technology, maybe hardware heavy products that are out there in the industry, but where we can leverage our knowledge of data into these kind of softwares to highlight savings that customers will achieve.
How do you decide between building capabilities in-house versus forming strategic partnerships like your recent ones with Better Sea and DNV Veracity?
we've always said that we want to stay true to the core of our business, which is data collection, processing, and then the inside part. DNV, they represent validation, not something we consider core in our business. Battersea is trading, and it's an outset of what we do, but it's basis of the core data that we collect and process and clean and provide. And I think this is where we want to position ourselves also in the future, to be the collector, the aggregator, the cleanser, the cleaner, and to make it available using tools. But then when you have these external processes, then we want to partner with external partners.
Thank you very much, Frederik, for sharing these valuable insights about Oceanlys' innovative approach to maritime performance and sustainability. We appreciate your time today and look forward to seeing Oceanlys' continued growth in the maritime sector. Thank you very much.
Thank you.